So hey everyone, in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can check the history of the task that you have been done on Audacity. It will be very useful if you have been made some changes by mistake and if you want to redo them. So all you need to do is to just simply open the Audacity software on your device, and now here for example this is a basic timeline on which I've been working. Now here on the top window you're gonna find this option of view. Just simply press it over there, and here this says the fourth option which is history. Just simply tap it. Now from here a window has been opened, and how much work that have been done. For example, I have created a project, I have imported a file, and I have moved the gain slider. Now all these data has been stored here, so you can just simply make it make changes as per your convenience. You can redo it, undo it, or do whatever you want. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.